Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are going to be making a pink shade liquid lip color. This is going to be a transfer proof liquid lip color. It does contain a blend of silicons and other transfer proof ingredients. So we'll quickly start with the making of this a liquid lip color. Also, for those who would like to learn these advanced formulations, y'all can connect on the number that's mentioned in the description box if you would wish to join the workshops. So here I have my blend of ingredients which I have already weighed out. I have taken some waxes, I have taken emollients, I have taken a couple of safe silicons. So all these materials are added in this bowl here, and this is the color which we are going to be making today. Now the color is not going to be exactly same so dark. Once we mix it in the solution, it is going to change a bit, so we'll see how it looks as we mix it. So we'll go ahead and heat this solution till all the waxes completely melt. So I've gone ahead and heated the waxes here, and if you all can see, everything has melted down well. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my color to this. Little by little I will go ahead and add this color and I will give it a mix. As I said, the color is not exactly the same as it was in the powder, because the moment you mix it in these silicons and the esters, it tends to become a little darker as the colors blend. So we'll nicely blend this till we reach the desired color that we want. Okay, so now after a lot of blending, I also used my blender to blend this well so that all the pigments get well dispersed. If you all can see, it's a very smooth texture now. So this is the final color which we have got. This is a pink which I wanted. I just wanted it like this, and we've got a nice color here. So I will just go ahead and pour this into my bottle now. Okay, so I have gone ahead and filled this bottle here, and this is how much we've got of the liquid lip color. Now I will just go ahead and close this with the nozzle here, and we'll go ahead and close the bottle. So I will just show y'all how the color looks. This is not going to be the final color, because we need to keep this for the next 24 to 48 hours for the color to come in well. But right now, if you see the color, it's something like this. It's a very nice shade of pink, and this is a total transfer proof liquid lip color that we have made today. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe, and please do tell your friends to subscribe as well. Thank you so much everyone.